Hey Tammy, I might be able to help you with your Smurf problem. I just brought this one in. Let's see, where did I get him? He was just right here. Must be a PNG because the background is transparent. So I just right-clicked on him and said copy image. And since we have this edition of the software, we can just right-click in here and paste. There's the second one. Okay, I wondered where that was. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to do is, in this case, even though it doesn't appear that I would need to, I'm going to go and trace it. I'm going to select the trace area. And now I'm just going to trace over him like that. And see how he's all highlighted pretty well. I have a good outline around him. Usually we go to trace. This time I'm going to say trace and detach, which is going to leave me with him perfectly colored and everything for a print then cut. And I can delete the rest of this box that's left there, just like that. Okay, I'm going to make him a lot smaller so he'll fit on some object that I make. So I'll make him smaller. And I'm going to come over here and get a circle and start drawing out a circle. And I think I'll move it over and I'll change its color just because I'm getting sick of that color. So I think I'll change it to purple. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my little Smurf guy and come over here to the panel area and select the replicate panel. And once I have that selected and my Smurf is selected, I'm going to come up here and click on Object to Path. And once that's clicked on, then I can just go to Show Grab Handle, and it makes a grab handle around him. And I can just bring him over like that. And it sure made a whole slew of them on there. So I can change this to maybe 15 of them and see what happens when I have 15. Okay, that's pretty cute, just like that. And of course, I can unclick perpendicular or click it, whichever I like. And I think I like them all right side up like that. So then the only other thing I need to do is I'm going to highlight everything. And I'm going to come up here to Object, and I'm going to say Convert to Path. And that makes it so that I can drag this little circle out of here and delete it if I don't want it, and I don't. And then what I would do to them is I would group them, because if I don't, I can still move one out of there where I don't want to. So then I would group them, just like that. And of course, if I was using my Cameo, I would come up here to Send. And actually, I don't have a matte specified on here, so I would have to change this and go back and specify a matte, and also to show the registration marks for a print then cut. But anyway, that's how you do it. And his little drawers are still here. He's not naked like your little guy was. So I hope this helps. Thanks, you guys. Bye.